All right. So in our last video, I made a joke about us going to Vegas so he can gamble. Let me tell you something. As a gambler myself, I know luck runs out eventually. You know, there's only so many times that I can throw those dice before I'm going to go 7 out and lose everything I've made along the way. So, Nick, do you really think you can keep this going?
The only way to see is do it.
All right, finger on the trackpad. Good. Eyes closed. You got to go up a little. Okay, move it around. Oh, is that you done?
Good.
Boom. 2. All right.
Go.
Let me tell you something. This is unbelievable. I don't know how you're doing this.
I'm your best.
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
You know what? Because your birthday's coming. It's like your birthday weekend, so you're being rewarded. That's it. On Tuesday, you're going to get all commons.
Come on.
Survey says... Ah, it had to happen. What?
Wait.
What?
We have one to trade.
Oh, 1 to rock, 1 to stock, 1 to trade. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
I told you, I am the best.
So, right, there's the
No, we
one
have-
to play with. And...
There's the one to keep in the package somewhere.
And there we go.
And there's the
And 1 to hold on to, and 1 that we can trade away if somebody needs one.
I told you I'm the best.
So, you know what? You're right. That's not a duplicate. That is still one that we needed. So, fine. You'll win. Okay. This kid is on fire. Fire. Fire like a lava
Yeah!
Skeletor. He's on fire.
Yeah.
Man. Unbelievable. Good stuff, guys.
I'm the best.
Can't wait to see what happens next. Man, and just when I thought he was out of luck, he managed to sell me that this was a pretty solid pull. And he's right. When he's right, he's right. Good job, dude. So, if anybody needs a 1983 Skeletor when trading opens, you come to us first, because we got him. He's right here waiting for you. And we'll be back.